Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to cancel a money transfer easily and safely, whether you're using the app, website, or you made the transfer in person. Let's get started. If you want to cancel your transfer, there are a few ways to do it. The first option is to chat with support directly. Just click the orange Chat with Us button in the bottom right corner of the screen. Then, choose the transfer you'd like to cancel and confirm that you want to go ahead with the cancellation if you're using the mobile app. Open it and go to your home screen. Select the transfer you want to cancel, then open the transfer details screen. From there, tap Cancel Transfer. You'll be asked to share a quick reason for canceling. This helps improve the service. Once that's done, you'll see a confirmation message letting you know your order has been successfully canceled. If you prefer to do it online, log into your account, head to the activity screen. Select the transfer and click Cancel. Fill out the brief form that appears, then hit Submit to finalize your request. And if you made your transfer in person, you'll need to contact the customer care team directly to cancel it. They'll verify your details and process the cancellation for you. And that's it. Once your transfer is canceled, you'll receive a confirmation notice, and the process will be complete. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more useful guides like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.